Ever uploaded a TikTok video, watch the views start to tick up, and then, suddenly, it's gone? If you found yourself frantically refreshing your screen, wondering why your latest content vanished right after posting, you're not alone. In fact, the phenomenon of disappearing TikToks has become increasingly common as the platform grows and tightens its policies. Let's dive into the real reasons behind this frustrating experience, and more importantly, how you can avoid it in the future. First, let's talk numbers. In the first quarter of 2025, TikTok removed approximately 211.19 million videos. That's right, millions of videos disappeared, and a staggering 87% of those removals were automated. This isn't just a small hiccup in the system, it's a sign of TikTok's ever-evolving approach to user safety and content moderation. The platform is more vigilant than ever, deploying advanced AI systems to scan, flag, and remove content that doesn't align with their rules. So if your video disappeared, there's a good chance it was swept up in this wave of enforcement. Why is TikTok doing this? The answer lies in their community guidelines. TikTok wants to create a space where users feel safe, entertained, and respected. That means cracking down on adult nudity, violent content, misinformation, and anything that could be considered harmful or distressing. The guidelines are comprehensive, and they're enforced both by human moderators and increasingly by automated technology. If your video breached these rules, even unintentionally, it could be removed without warning. Sometimes you won't even get a notification. The video just vanishes. But let's get real. Not all disappearing videos are the result of guideline violations. Technical glitches are another culprit. Maybe your app crashed mid-upload, or your internet connection dropped just as you hit post. These kinds of issues can prevent your video from uploading successfully or cause it to disappear from your account even after it seemed to go live. TikTok is a massive platform running on complex technology, and sometimes things go wrong. To minimize these risks, always make sure your app is updated to the latest version, your device software is current, and your internet connection is strong and stable when posting. There's also the issue of account restrictions. If your account has been flagged for repeated violations of TikTok's rules, you might be facing temporary or even permanent suspensions. In these cases, TikTok will typically notify you about the restriction, but sometimes the warning comes after your video has already disappeared. Enforcement is serious business for TikTok. They issue warnings, suspend accounts temporarily, and, for chronic offenders, ban accounts altogether. If your account is restricted, any new content you try to post might be automatically removed or simply never appear to your followers. So, what can you do to prevent your TikTok videos from disappearing? Start with the basics. Review TikTok's community guidelines in detail. Make sure your content doesn't include anything that could be flagged for nudity, violence, hate speech, or misinformation. If you're unsure whether your video crosses the line, err on the side of caution. Remember, TikTok's automated systems are designed to detect even subtle violations, and they act fast. Next, invest in your upload process. Before posting, check your internet connection. Slow or spotty Wi-Fi can lead to failed uploads. Make sure your TikTok app and your device's operating system are up to date. If you experience frequent technical issues, try restarting your device or reinstalling the app. These simple steps can help you avoid the frustration of videos disappearing because of glitches. Keep an eye on your account status. If you've received warnings or temporary bans in the past, take them seriously. Multiple violations can lead to stricter enforcement and more frequent content removals. Watch for notifications from TikTok about your account. These messages will tell you if you're at risk and what you need to change to stay compliant. Now let's talk solutions. At Famety, we know how important your content is. You work hard to create, engage, and grow your audience. And when your videos disappear, it can feel like you're starting from scratch. That's why we go beyond just providing likes, followers, and shares. Our services are designed to help you navigate the ever-changing world of social media, so your content not only reaches a wider audience, but also stays safe and visible. Our team is constantly monitoring the latest updates from TikTok, including changes to community guidelines and enforcement practices. When you work with Famety, you get more than just engagement. You get insights and support that help you avoid common pitfalls. Our live support team is always here to answer your questions and guide you through the maze of social media rules. If you're ever unsure about a post, reach out to us. We can help review your content and offer suggestions to keep it compliant and optimized. And we don't just stop at TikTok. Famety offers services for all major social media platforms, plus Google and SEO. Whether you're growing your presence on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or expanding your reach with Google, we have the tools and expertise to help you succeed. Our services are almost limitless, so you can focus on creating content while we handle the rest. But even with the best support, the key to keeping your TikTok videos live is staying informed. The platform is evolving at lightning speed, and what was acceptable yesterday might be flagged today. That's why it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends and policies. Follow TikTok's newsroom for real-time updates on their approach to user safety and moderation. Watch for new enforcement announcements and adapt your content strategy accordingly. At Famety, we believe that social media should be a source of energy, creativity, and connection, not anxiety and confusion. We're here to help you power up your online presence, grow your following, and achieve your goals. When your TikTok video disappears, don't see it as a setback. See it as a learning opportunity. Review what happened, adjust your approach, and come back even stronger. In summary, your TikTok video might disappear for a few key reasons: violation of community guidelines, technical glitches during upload, or account restrictions due to previous violations. With TikTok's automated enforcement systems removing millions of videos each quarter, the platform is more proactive than ever. The best way to prevent future issues is to stay informed. Keep your app and device updated. Ensure your content complies with the latest guidelines, and monitor your account for any warnings or restrictions. And remember, Famety is here to help. We offer more than just engagement. We offer expertise, support, and the energy you need to thrive in the fast-paced world of social media. If you're ready to take your account to the next level and keep your content visible and impactful, connect with us today. Let's make sure your videos get the attention they deserve and never disappear again.